Hey everybody, Brandon here from the Vancouver Pupps, and this is just a short little video. I just wanted to sort of give an update. You know, we've been working really hard on all the different puppets and stuff, but this one, this was the curly that I was working on with the articulated hand. Remember this one? I just wanted to show that. You see, now we got all the proper fur on here, and I got him all dressed up, and he's all ready to go. So we got another great version of curly now that we're able to perform with live. So it's something that's really exciting and something that should be a lot of fun to see at our next big live show, whenever that'll be. Yeah, you see, you can walk around here. Yeah, no, he looks great. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ha ha! Yeah! Right, here's the hand. Here's the fingers moving. Yep, it feels pretty comfortable and I think it looks pretty good. So it's the summer and it's Pride season and I'm feeling very grateful lately. So I just wanted to also take this opportunity to thank YouTube and all of my subscribers. It's a little early, but in about 2 months, this September, it'll be 7 years that I've been on YouTube here. And I look back at all of the amazing things that I've done on here and I'm really, really very proud of myself and all of the hard work that I've done and all the amazing things that I've been able to accomplish in the world of puppetry. You know, I don't think a lot of people really understand just how hard it is that I work on all of this stuff. Some of my videos literally have taken hundreds of hours to accomplish. And, you know, I put everything that I got into all of these videos and it really is my whole life and it means a lot to me. I knew that if I worked really, really hard here on YouTube and put myself out there and showed my work that I would amass an audience of wonderful people. And I'm proud to say that so far after 7 years, the Vancouver Pupps have been blessed with 275 subscribers. And I want to thank every single one of those subscribers. You all mean so much to me. And I hope that we will continue to make our online audience grow. About 7 years ago, I had a dream of telling a story of Oko, who lives here in Vancouver's West End, one of the most amazing places in the world to live. I'm very proud to show off the city of Vancouver as a setting for my story. And I just really wanted to leave my legacy behind and tell a great, original, wacky story with lots of dark humor and fun things. So far, everything is going along really, really well. I'm really happy with how everything is coming together. To all my current subscribers, all 275 of you, and all my future subscribers, thank you for following the journey of Oko and all of the rest of the Vancouver Pupps. I'm Brandon. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.